Hello everyone, welcome to the Financial Information channel. In this video I'm going to give you an update of the July stocks that I mentioned in the previous video. Now let's start with the video and see how the stocks performed during July. And the number 5 stock that I mentioned in the video was Starbucks. And I mentioned Starbucks because in the previous quarter they actually had decent earnings. However, the comparable sales were one of the issues, and that caused the stock to drop during the quarter. Now Starbucks dropped negative 7.39% for the month of July. Now let's break it down because they actually had good earnings. However, when it came to the guidance, that was the main issue. So during the earnings, they mentioned they were going to close a lot of the stores that are located inside the mall. And as soon as that message happened, the stock started to drop. And it dropped around 10% for the day. And in my opinion, you have to wait now before you're getting more shares for Starbucks. The guidance was actually really weak, and I would stay away from this company at least for the next 2 weeks. And they need to reevaluate to see if the company is going to be worth for the long term. And the number 4 company is Micron. And this company was going really great before the end of July. And during the month of July, the company dropped negative 5.89%. And as you know, at the end of July, most of the technology stocks started to pull back. Now, this is kind of the opposite of Starbucks because this company posted a strong guidance, strong numbers. However, the company pulled back. And I think during the next few weeks, the company is going to move between the $28 to $31. And I ended up getting more share for Micron Technology because I believe this company is going to come back. Not in the next few weeks, but probably at the end of August. And the next company is Lam Research. The company went up 12.76%, and this was one of the best companies during the month of July. Lam Research had a great earnings, and the guidance was actually really good. However, because we had the technology sell-off, the company pulled back a little bit. The company shares price were around 167, I believe, when they posted the earnings. And then at this moment it's around 159, I believe. And this company said for 2017 the company is gonna continue going up. However, expect to see a few pullbacks along the way. And the number 2 company that I mentioned is Basil, and this company had an excellent July. The company went up 46.46% during the month of July, and there was a few things that happened during that month. And the CEO of the company appeared on the Mad Money show by CNBC, and he actually gave a good explanation of what the company is about. And I do expect the company to report strong earnings during the month of August, and I believe that this company is going to continue hitting higher. And to be optimistic, I think the company has a chance to go over the 200% for 2017. And as you have seen, a lot of the Chinese stocks have gone up a huge amount this year. So Basil remains one of the strong stocks for 2017. The only way this company is gonna drop if they post really weak guidance. However, I don't see it happening. And the number 1 company that I mentioned in the previous video for July was Constellation brand. Now this company was negative during July with 0.14%. And the reason is they had the earnings at the end of June. So actually that's when they actually made a huge move. And during July they started to sell off just a little bit. And it was the first month that they have been in red in 2017. So this company is gonna come back on August and post positive results. And when you add the positives and the negative, during the month of July, the stocks perform at 45.80% return. And I think that number is gonna decrease a little bit. However, most of the companies that reported bad earnings during July are gonna come back next month. And well, that is gonna be everything for the video. Please leave in the comment sections if you were able to buy some of the shares from that specific video. I'm still bullish on Basil, Lam Research, and Constellation brands. Micron Technologies should come back in the next few weeks, and Starbucks is probably gonna remain the same in the next month. And as always, you can subscribe to the Financial Information channel. I want to thank you once again for watching the video. Have an excellent day and take care, my friends.